welcome to Wax Off Videos. I'm just going to take you through how I edge skis. So first of all, you need to grab hold of the ski. Carefully stick it on the vise, and then get your ski brake retainer and make sure those brakes are out of the way. Flipping it over, just having a quick look at the base, make sure there's no obvious signs of damage. This one's got a little bit here where it's obviously seen a little rock or a stone or something like that. But other than that, there's no holes that need filling or anything. So all I'm going to do is take my base bevel tool and just run it gently along the ski, just to make sure any of this case hardening here may be removed. May not need anything at all. So I'm working tip to tail on here. It's taking a little bit off, so I'm going to carry on using it. Great, I think that's plenty there. I need to move the file around so I can work the other side. This file guide is set at 1/2 degree, which is the standard that I set a base bevel at. Again, just a little bit coming off there, so as you can see I'm just moving the ski around just to make sure I don't get caught on my vices. There we go, that's plenty on there now. Great, so now I've just checked that base bevel, move on to the sides. I know that this particular skier has had this for a while and is quite a high level skier, so they've already done a sidewall removal to make sure I can access that edge. So I'm going to do a little work with the fine file first of all, setting these at 88, which is the standard that I do for a hand edge service. I'm just going to flip this round so I can work tip to tail on it. Again. So, fine file, 88. Not removing very much on here because they're pretty sharp. Nice overlapping strokes. Just got a little bit of rust on here, I'll just take that off. Just going to brush off any excess filings there. Next, take my diamond file. This is just a medium diamond file. I think it's 400 grit, I'm not sure. It's a hole and coil medium. Again, nice overlapping strokes. I'm only putting the pressure on as I draw. Go. Not got a lot to do to these ones, I know they're pretty sharp already, and that's now absolutely razor sharp. So we'll move on to the next edge. Picked this tip up years ago. Paintbrush is really handy for removing any metal hard filings from your skis so you don't get anything embedded into the base. They're not particularly expensive. Make sure you don't mix up if you use a paintbrush for getting off any wax or anything like that. Only use this for your edges. So I'm just testing the ski with just the back of my fingers here, and I can feel if it's sharp because it starts to sort of grab at my fingers. I don't use the back of my fingernail, I don't want to damage my hands. And obviously I'm not running my hands up and down it, that would cut me, I don't want to do that. So this ski's nice and sharp now, happy with that, so I'll move on and I'll do the other ski.